Good morning everyone, my name is Nitin and today we are going to study the chapter number first of class 9, that is number system. So in order to get the better knowledge of this chapter, we are going to know all the basics that are in this chapter. So the first thing is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? As described from the name, natural means nature. So, all the numbers that exist in nature, that exist in our nature, are called natural numbers. What are those numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on to infinity are known as natural number. Any doubt? Now let us move forward to second definition, that is of whole number. What are whole number? In natural number we see that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and so on. In this we saw that 1 is in natural number, 2 is in natural number, 3 is in natural number, 4 is in natural number, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is composed of two numbers, that is 1 and 0. 1 is in natural number but 0 is not in the natural number. So when we have collection of 0 and natural number, it is called whole number. Or you can say that when we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and go so on, it is called whole numbers. Why it is called whole number? Because the meaning of whole is all complete set. Here the set is not complete because 0 is not included in it. Here the set is complete because the number that we are using, that is 0, in the next terms is added in the numbers. Any doubt? Now moving forward, our third definition is integers. What are integers? As we know that the whole numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If we take the negative part of natural number as well, the collection of this is known as integers. So the integers are all whole numbers and their negative terms as well. The whole collection of this is known as integers. So integers are nothing, just whole numbers and the negative parts of their positive term is known as the whole collection. This is known as integers. Any doubt? Now moving forward, we have rational numbers. What are rational numbers? This is quite important. Always remember the definition of rational number. The number that are represented in the form of P upon Q. The numbers that are represented in the form of P upon Q, where we have two conditions. The first condition is P and Q should be integers. It means the value of P and Q should always be integers. Second, Q does not equal to 0. It means the value of denominator should never be 0. Let us take some example of it. If you write 4 upon 5, it is rational number because 4 is integer, 5 is integer, and in denominator we don't have 0. If you write minus 2 upon 7, you see minus 2 is integer, 7 is integer, and the denominator is not 0, so it is also a rational number. 7 upon minus 8, you see here 7 is integer, minus 8 is integer, and we do not have 0 in the denominator, so it is rational number as well. If we write 0 upon 1, then here we see that the numerator is integer, the denominator integer, and the value of denominator is not equal to 0, so it is also a rational number. Any doubts? Now let us have some question based on this. The first question is 0 a rational number? Why? Second, is minus 4 a rational number? Why? Third, is 1 upon 0 a rational number? Why and why not? And the last is minus 4 upon 10,000 a rational number? Why and why not? The answer of first question is going to be yes, 0 is a rational number. Can anyone tell me the reason, please? So the reason is we can write number because we can write 0 as 0 upon 1 equal to P upon Q, where 0 and 1 are integers, and also denominator is not equal to 0, or you can say Q is not equal to 0. Any doubt? We can write 0 as 0 upon 1 because any number whose denominator is not given to us, its denominator is 1. And you can write 0 as 0 upon 1 where the value of P is 0 and value of Q is 1. 0 and 1 are both integers, and also here in denominator the value is not 0, so we can write 0 as a rational number. Now moving forward to the next answer. Yes, minus 4 is also, we are adding also, minus 4 is a rational number because we can write minus 4 as minus 4 upon 1 equal to P upon Q, where minus 4 and 1 are integers and Q is not equal to 0 is the answer of our question. Answer number 3, our answer will be no, 1 upon 0 is not a rational number because it breaks the second condition, that is Q is equal to 0 because the denominator is in 0. So the answer of last question will be yes, minus 4 upon 1000 is a rational number because minus 4 upon 1000 equal to P upon Q, where minus 4 and 1000 are integers, and the denominator of this, that is 10,000, that is Q, is not equal to 0. Any doubt? Now moving forward, we are going to have some question, that is write all the rational number between 2 and 3. What you are going to do? Write 2 and 3 and write 2 and 3 in the form of rational number. So how we write 2 as rational number? 2 upon 1. And how we write 3 as rational number? 3 upon 1. Now there are two types of this question. First type of question are those in which the denominator of both the numbers are same. Here we see that the denominator of both the number is same. Just do one thing. How many? Write all the, not all the, write 5 rational number between, or 10 rational number between 2 or 3. If you have to write 5 rational number between this and this, do one thing. Just multiply this by 10 upon 10. 2 into 10 is 20. 1 into 10 is 10. Also, if you are multiplying this rational number with 10 upon 10, then you are going to multiply this rational number with also 10 upon 10. You have to multiply both the numbers with same numbers. Always remember that. If you are multiplying here with 100 divided by 100, you are going to multiply this number with also 100 upon 100. So it will be 30 upon 100. See the numerator value, that is 20 and 30. So the 5 rational number between 2 and 3 are, what are those? Write the numbers between 20 and 30, that is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and divide all those by 10, because the 10 is in the denominator here. Any doubt? Now let us solve another question. Write 5 rational number between minus 2 and minus 3. So firstly write minus 2 as rational number, so it will be minus 2 upon 1, and write minus 3 as rational number, so it will be minus 3 upon 1. Since the denominator of both the number is same, so we are going to multiply this with 10 upon 10. Minus 2 into 10 is minus 20 divided by 10, and minus 3 multiplied by 10 upon 10. Minus 3 multiplied by 10 is minus 30 upon 10. So 5 rational number between minus 2 and minus 3 are, what are those? Write the number between minus 20 to minus 30, that are minus 21, minus 22, minus 23, minus 24, minus 25, minus 26, minus 27, minus 28, and minus 29, and divide all those numbers by 10. This will be the answer of this question. Any doubt? Now let us move forward. And say, write all the rational number between 4 upon 5 and 5 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 is already given in rational number form, and 5 upon 5 is already given to us in rational number form. Here the denominator of both the numbers is also same. So just multiply this number with 10 upon 10. 4 10s are 40 upon 5 10s are 50. Here also 10 upon 10. 5 into 10 is 50 and 50. So the rational number between 4 by 5 and 5 by 5 are 41 by 50. The 5 rational numbers, 42 by 50, 43 by 50, 44 by 50, 45 by 50, 46 by 50, 47 by 50, 48 by 50, and 49 by 50. Any doubt? What if the question given to us is like write the 5 rational number between 3 by 2 and 5 by 7. How we are going to solve this? Firstly, write the first number that is in the rational number form and write the second number that is in the rational number form. Since the denominator of both the number is not same here, so it is the second type question. How we are going to solve this? Firstly, you have to make the denominator of both the numbers same. How we are going to do so? Just multiply the other number with other's denominator. That is, the denominator of this number is 7, so we are going to multiply this number by 7 upon 7. And also, the denominator of this number is 2, so we are going to multiply this number by 2 upon 2. Multiply this, 3 into 7 is 21, divided by 2 into 7, that is 14. 5 into 2 is 10, and the denominator of this number will be 7 into 2, that is 14. Now the denominator of both the number is same. So the rest of the answer is also going to be same as the previous one. That is, multiply 21 by 14 into 10 upon 10 and multiply 10 upon 14 into 10 upon 10. So the answer will be 210 upon 140, and here it is going to be 100 upon 140. So the 5 rational number between 3 by 2 and 5 by 7 are, what are those? 101 by 140, 102 by 140, 103 by 140, 104 by 140, so on up to 209 upon 140. So you have a lot of number in between them. Any doubt? Based on this, I am going to give you some homework so that you have the better perspective of the questions that we have done in today's class. The homework, write 5 rational number between 0 and 1. Second is, write 5 rational number between -1 and -2. Third is, write 5 rational number between 3 by 7 and say 5 by 8. Fourth is, write 5 rational number between 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. And fifth is, write 5 rational number between 6 and 7. Now let us move forward. Here the exercise 1.1 and 1.2 are completed because I have teach you all the basics that I can, and now the rest of the questions are in your hand that how you do so. Now moving on to 1.3 exercise. The first question is tell that whether the number is rational or not. So in order to do so, we are going to have some basic information that we need to solve this question. Firstly, you need to know what are fraction and what are decimal number. What are fraction? Any number when written in the form of P upon Q is known as fraction. Or any number when written in the form of numerator upon denominator, it is called fraction. Any doubt? So what are decimal number? Any number when written in points is known as decimal number. That is 0.4 or 0.5 etc. Here example will be 2 by 3, 7 by 3 etc. Always remember that you can convert any fraction into decimal number and any decimal number into fraction, that we have already studied in 5th, 6th and 7th class. So let us say we have 2 by 3 as a fraction, and how we can convert it into decimal, that is 2 inside the bracket, 3, divide this and you will get the answer 0.66666666666 so on. So when divided you will get two things. We are going to know the nature of decimal numbers. When a fraction is converted into decimal number, you are going to have two things. First is terminating number. What are terminating numbers? Let us say you have a fraction 100 divided by 200, and when converted into the decimal form you will get 0.5. It means that 100 is inside the bracket, 200 is outside the bracket, so you get 0.0 here, 5s are 1000, and you will get remainder as 0. You get the remainder as 0. So terminating numbers are those numbers whose remainder is equal to 0, or you can say that terminating number are those numbers whose quotient, that is this answer, is terminating or ending. What is the meaning of terminating? That is ending. This value has an end, that it cannot move further. Any doubt? That the answer is fixed here. So these are known as terminating numbers. Always write this as a note. Terminating numbers are rational numbers. Terminating numbers are rational numbers. Any doubt? Now let us move towards the second type, that is what are non-terminating numbers. Non-terminating numbers are the type of numbers just like 2 upon 3. If we divide this, you will get the answer 0.666666666 so on. It will never end. And same goes for 22.7, that is 3.14, so on. It will move and you will not end this. The quotient of this will never end. Or we can say that the remainder is not equal to 0. Non-terminating numbers are those numbers whose remainder never comes 0 or whose quotient is non-terminating. Any doubt? Now, a non-terminating number is of two types. It is of two types. Firstly, it is known as non-terminating, non-repeating, or in some books, non-recurring is given. Non-terminating, non-repeating, and others are non-terminating and repeating. What are non-terminating, non-repeating, and what are non-terminating repeatings? Let us see that. If you divide a number, that is, let us understand what are non-terminating repeating first. Let us say you divide a number 2 by 3. You see a pattern 0.666666666 so on. And how you can represent this? That after point, a number 6 is repeating itself again and again. Yes or no? Yes. So you can write 0, the number in front of point, write it as it is, and the number that is repeating, that is 6 here, add a bar on it. Here we see that this number is repeating, so it is known as non-terminating repeating. Write a note also here that non-terminating repeating numbers are rational numbers. That non-terminating repeating numbers are rational numbers. Any doubt? What if we get the answer 30.2424242424 so on? How we are going to write this? 30, then point, but the number is repeating 24. Bar on whole 24. Any doubt? What if our number is 4.44444 so on? How we are going to write this? 4 point, write the number in front of point as it is, and what the number is repeating? 4. Add the bar on the 4. What if we have the number 7.07777777? Here write the number in front of decimal as it is. 0 is not repeating, so write 0 as it is. 7 is repeating, so the bar is only going to be on 7. Any doubt? Take the screenshot of this. Now let us move forward and know what are non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. Non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are those numbers in which if we divide any number, that is 22 by 7, you will get 3.142835 so on. So that you don't find any pattern. No pattern. No pattern here. These are known as non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. Any doubt? So these type of numbers are irrational numbers. What are these? Irrational numbers. So the conclusion here is that terminating numbers are rational numbers, non-terminating repeatings are rational numbers, but non-terminating, non-repeating numbers are irrational numbers. Any doubt? Let us have some example here. Say 102 divided by 200 is given to us. We have to tell this, is this a rational number or not? 22 divided by 3 is given to us. We have to say, is this a rational number or not? 44 upon 7 is given to us. We have to say, is it a rational number or not? And we have given 309 divided by 400, and we have to say, is it a rational number or not? After dividing 102 by 200, we will have 0.05, that is 1000, then 20 will be remainder, 0 and 1. 200, you will get the remainder 0. So it is a terminating number. It is a terminating number. Terminating number because the remainder is 0 and the quotient is terminating. So it is a rational number. Rational number. Any doubt? Let us see here, 22 divided by 3. So the answer will be almost 7.33333. How we are going to write this? 7.3, since the 3 is repeating, so bar on this. We know that this is a type of which number? This is a type of non-terminating repeating, and these type of numbers are also rational numbers. Any doubt? Let us see the third example, that is 44 upon 7. The answer of this question will be 6.2865, so on. And we see here no pattern. So these type of numbers are non-terminating and not repeating, and these type of numbers are irrational numbers. Any doubt? And going forward to the last question, that is 309 divided by 400. 0.0, then 7s are 2800, you will get 290, then 0, 2800, 7 again, you will get 100, 0, 2 ja, you will get 200, and then 5 ja. So the answer will be 0.7725, that is terminating, and thus this number is also a rational number. That's all for today's class.